Okay, so lesson 3. We're going to look at some sharps and flats today. We're actually going to use the black notes. So just to explain what these mean, if a note is flat, you play a black note which is down from the original note. So a B flat, instead of playing the B, you'd play the note down from it. So you find the B, but instead you play the black note down from that note. An A sharp, so if you sharpen, you go up. So to find an A sharp, you'd go to the A and you would go up to a black note. So rather than playing an A, you play that black note there. So, but you're absolutely right, B flat and A sharp are the same note. It's musical grammar, you don't have to worry about that now. But let's look at some other notes. So C sharp would be finding this C here, but not playing it, but playing that black note instead, going up to that one. And E flat, you'd find the E there, but instead play that black note down there. So we need that today because we're going to play Over the Rainbow from The Wizard of Oz. And there you can see we've got our B flat there, which we're going to use in the tune later on. So if we have a quick look at the rhythm over here, we've got F, F, E, C, D, E, F, and the rhythm is pear, pear, plum, apple, plum, plum. So pear, pear, plum, apple, plum, plum. And you can see we've got two different Fs here. There's one low F and one high F, which means that when we go to the piano, we need to play two Fs. The first one is a low F, and the second one is a high F. Now you can see that I'm stretching quite a lot here. I'm not expecting you to stretch that much. We are going to use finger 1 and 5, but you're going to probably have to just let go of the first F before you say the second F, and really make sure you're sort of pivoting that wrist around to make sure you're getting to those notes. So you just sort of little jump. And then we've got the E, C, D, E, F, which is the plum, apple, plum, plum, which is this. So you've got F, F, E, C, D, E, F. Now don't use your thumb for when we're doing the C, D, E. Try and use 2, 3, 4. So 5, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because we need to keep this thumb 3 because we're going to jump that back down to F in a minute. So the whole thing looks like this. F, F, E, C, D, E, F. So 1, 5, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just remember that rhythm. Pear, pear, plum, apple, plum, plum. And if we go back to the music, we can see that we've got 3 more notes to play. We've got an F there, we'll go back down to that low F, same one as that one. And then we're going to go D, and then a long C there. Now this note here we've not come across before. It's called a semi-breve. It lasts for 4 beats. We haven't got a fruit for it, but we just need to know it lasts for 4 beats. So pear, pear, 1, 2, 3, 4. And try and count evenly in your head. So that last bit looks like this. F, D, C, 2, 3, 4. So the whole first tune sounds like this. F, F, E, C, D, E, F, F, D, C, 2, 3, 4. So remember in the rhythm, pear, pear, plum, apple, plum, plum, pear, pear. 4 beats. Okay, so, and just remember, for that last bit, it's 1, 5, 4. That's absolutely fine. Okay, now, the last bit of the tune is a little bit trickier. We got D, B flat, A, F, G, A, B flat. So there's that rhythm again. Pear, pear, plum, apple, plum, plum. So D and B flat. Now that D, by the way, sorry, I'm moving quite a lot. That D is lower than that first F that we played. So we've got to go down to an even lower note, which is the D today. So we started here. And that's why we're keeping that thumb free, because we're going right down to here. D, B flat. So I'd probably recommend that you would, yeah, go to your finger 4. So D, and then B flat on a 4. And then we've got that A, F, G, A, B flat, A, F, G, A, B flat, plum, apple, plum, plum. We're going to go starting on 3. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 should be back on that B flat. So that whole thing we just done is D, B flat, A, F, G, A, B flat. And then we've got one more tiny bit to come, which is again that same rhythm, plum, apple, plum, plum, and then a big 4 notes, 4 beats at the end there as well. So G, E, F, G, A, F. So that comes straight after this. Once we've got pear, pear, plum, apple, plum, 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 apple, plum, plum, long note, 4 beats. So that last bit there, G, E, F, G, A, we've got to work out how to get there from that B flat we just finished on. And I think what we're going to do, we're gonna from that B flat there, we're gonna use our 3 on the G and go G, E on the 1, F on the 2, G, and rather playing the B flat now, this one's gonna go down to the A, and then end on an F. We're going to end on finger 2, which is slightly weird. So G, E, F, G, A, F. In terms of the fingering, that's quite complicated, so let's do it really slowly. G on a 1, E, F, so 1, 2, G on 3, A on the 4, and then finish on the F on the 2. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. So that whole second section, which is D, B flat, A, F, G, A, B flat, G, E, F, G, A, F, sounds like this, and looks like this as well. So D, B flat, A, F, G, A, B flat, and then you see I've just moved the 3 down there to go to the G. So I'll show you again without stopping. So the whole tune of Somewhere Over the Rainbow looks like this. Starting on that F. I'll do it one more time. Two, 3, 4. Cool. Good luck with that one, and we'll see you for lesson 4.